Definitely looking forward to learning about your company. I have nephews that I'm encouraging to have a healthy interest in cars and why quality is so important. Quality is at the heart of everything that we do at Brabus. And if you look at our brand core, which is a model that we use to evaluate products, it has 6 attributes, and in every single one of those 6 attributes, there is quality. Every time we deliver a car, it's only about the question of quality. Every time we design a process, it's only about the question of quality. Since I have become the CEO of this business, my number one mission has been to set a clear standard in both the products that we build and the work that we do in terms of quality, and to not let anything pass that isn't really up to the standard of the brand. And I can tell you it's a job that requires my full attention on a daily basis.